Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Saksham and today we have got this Gorilla stand as you can see here, and we are going to do an unboxing video of this stand. And this stand is very useful. It can be also kept in many small places, and I am also going to fold this in many directions and show you by attaching my camera, mobile and everything, and also be showing you some functions of this stand. And if you are going to buy this or if you have thought to buy this, then please watch my video till the end so that you will be clear about this stand and how it works and what are its functions and everything. So let's start. So this stand is very simple to use. As you can see here, there is nothing more about this stand. Here we have to just keep our camera, and then I will show you some functions of this stand. But one thing I have to show that we get one more thing with this stand, which is this mobile stand. Okay, so in this stand you can either attach a camera or either attach this mobile stand so that you can also keep your mobile to do recording. Now let me show you how this works. Okay, so this is very simple to use. As you can see, now you may be seeing a very tiny little balls. So these balls can be folded into any direction. Okay, so which makes it very easier to keep in any table, and this is suitable for small places. For example, if you are making video in small tables, or if you want to go outside, then you can use this stand. This is very simple. Now as you can see here, here is one ball which I can fold it in any direction. I can fold, as you can see, in any direction I can rotate. Now there are many other small balls also. As you can see, I can break these in apart like this. I can fold these also in many places. I can fold this also any places I can fold. As you can see here, it's not gonna broke. Okay, so as you can see, I folded it in like this curly way, but still it hasn't broke because this is made for doing so. Okay, so with this function you can adjust it in many tables. Like if you are using a small table, then you can fold it in like this way, and then you can keep it like this, and you can also adjust how you want to make the video. Or if there is small spaces, then you can fold it more like this, and then if you do like this, and then you can just attach your camera or mobile over here and then start making the video. Okay, now this function was very simple, as you can see. Now if you want to again take it back, then you can arrange it again in correct way, or you can just fold it like this and then put it in your bag, as you can see here. Now let me show you how to attach the camera or mobile in this stand. Now as you know, I am shooting this video with my camera, so I will just show you by attaching the mobile. Okay, now camera and mobile are very simple. Now how to attach camera is, as you can see here in this stand, there you have to attach your camera. Beside your camera there will be given a small screw, and then above that you have to just rotate your camera here and it will attach perfectly. Okay, you don't need to do anything. And here is also of rubber. Okay, this white color, as you are seeing, this white part is made up of rubber, so your camera or mobile won't slip from here. Okay, and this all ball is made up of plastic, and this white lines which you are seeing in this all balls, they are made up of rubber, so it won't let your stand slip anywhere, so you can shoot perfect videos. Okay, now let me show you how to attach. Now if you want to attach camera, then just screw your camera over here, and if you want to attach mobile phones, then what you have to do is, as you can see here, this part which we had got of the mobile stand, this part. Now beside this part, here as you can see here, there is just nut. Okay, so you just have to open this nut like this. As you are seeing, I am opening this nut, so just screw it and open this nut, and then this mobile one, this much you need. Okay, to attach the mobile. You can keep this aside, this stand, for a while, and then this is the part which you need to attach the mobile. Okay, now first of all we will attach our mobile here. It is very simple, just like others. You also have to scroll here. Okay, just like you did this camera. Now you can suppose that this is our camera. Okay, now how you would to do is beside your camera there will be the screw, and you just have to screw your camera like this. Okay, then your camera would also be attached in the similar way. Now this is our mobile stand, so our mobile is attached. Now while buying this, you may also not get this box. Okay, you may just get this, so that is also okay, but I got this box as well, so that we can attach this in other stand also if this we get. Okay, so as you can see here, I attached my mobile stand also in here. Now we can also keep our mobile here. Now I will show you by keeping my mobile here. Now as you can see, we have got our mobile. Now I will show you by attaching the mobile here. Now see how to attach it. It is very simple. As you can see this stand, you just have to pull it like this. Okay, very tightly, because here is spring. So pull it like this and then just keep your mobile here. Now I will also be showing you by attaching my camera. First of all, as you can see how I am attaching a mobile, just keep your mobile for a while like this, and then from back side pull this stand, okay, like this, and then bring it here. Now as you can see our mobile is attached. From back side just pull this stand and then bring it, okay, as you can see here. Now you can also shoot many videos from our mobile. Now let me show you. Now as you can see, here is our ball. Now I am shooting a video of my ball, as you can see. Now from this stand we can shoot very straight videos, as you can see here. We can zoom also, and we can shoot very clear photos and videos with this stand, because it won't let our mobile to move. Now you can also adjust the stand in many ways, okay. For example, if you want to shoot video in high place, then just adjust it like this. See, if you want to shoot video slanting way, then you can just adjust the stand like this, as you can see here, okay. So in this way you can use this stand, okay. So this is very useful stand. And now I am also going to show you by attaching my camera to it, okay. Now to attach our camera, first of all we need to take out this one, okay. Now we are going to attach our camera, so we will take out this one and we will keep our camera also over here. Now as you can see here, we have got our camera. This is the Canon camera, and I have also made a separate unboxing video for this camera. So if you like this camera also, then you can watch its unboxing video in my channel, okay. Now I will be showing you by attaching this one camera to this stand. Now how we can attach it is very simple. As you can see here, under this camera there was given a hole for attaching the screw, so we can just tight the screw here, and here is also given that screw, okay. So we will just, how to do it is, we will just keep it like this, and then we will just tight it up like this, okay. We'll just screw it in here, as you can see here how I'm doing it. You also can do it in the similar way. So after screwing, just do it one more time, so it will be tight. And here is rubber, okay. This white part which I already showed you was made up of rubber. So as you can see, my camera isn't falling, okay, because this stand is very tight, as you can see. So now we can also shoot very clear videos with our camera. This stand, we can see, as you can see here, I am adjusting the stand according to my wish. I can put it in anywhere like this. I am folding this part, I am folding this part, any part I can fold. You can also hang it on your windows or the grid bars, which you can see. You can just fold it around them, and you can also shoot videos from there, okay. So now as you can see here, okay, so I just folded it. As you can see here how I am doing the video. We can also hold the one of the stands like this, and then we can shoot videos. It will also not let the stand to move. So as you can see here how I am folding it according to my wish. I need to do it in a small place, so I am folding it like this. And as you can see, I just kept it. Now we can just keep our ball over here. As you can see how I folded it in small way. We can adjust it anything, as you can see here. I folded it in small way. Now we'll just keep our ball over here, and then we can start recording. As you can see, this is very straight. It won't let the camera to move. So I adjusted it in many ways, as you can see here, and I finally got my perfect way to keep it in the table. So you can also do many tries and keep it in the table, as you can see I did. So we can fold it in many ways, okay. So you can also keep it in the bars, which is in the windows. You can also attach or fold it around those windows, and then you can make the videos with this. So as you can see here, this was very nice stand, okay. And if you want to buy this stand, then you can buy. I have given the link in description. It is of 1500 IC, okay. So this is also very good price for this stand, and this is very helpful for shooting videos. So if you like this stand, then please say in the comments. And if you are also about to buy this, then I hope you are clear about this stand, how it works, so you can buy it now. So I hope you all liked the video. As you can see, this stand, this was a very nice stand, and if you are also deciding to buy it, then please buy it. It is very helpful for shooting some videos, and I have given the link in the description, and its price is 1500 IC. So if you like this stand, then buy it. And if you have any questions related to this stand, then you can ask me in the comment box. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.